Product pages are the most important pages on any online store. They play the role of a landing page because you drive people toward them, you drive your visitors and your potential customers toward them, and you wait for them to convert. So optimizing these pages and making sure that you are doing your best to make them the best they can be is extremely important if you are looking to improve your business and increase your sales. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that can greatly help you to improve your product pages. I highly recommend you to go with all of these tips. Don't miss any of them, especially the last 2. And now let's start. Before moving forward with our topic, I want to take one moment of your time to invite you to do 3 things. First, I want to invite you to smash the like button and to subscribe to my channel and to hit notification bell, because in this way you will get notified each time I publish a new video. And third, I want to invite you to sign up to the free workshop I'm currently offering. Succeeding in e-commerce is becoming harder and harder over time. And unless you have the right foundations for your business, unless you are able to always attract, convert, and retain customers, it's impossible to succeed. In this free workshop, I show you how you can do that, how you can create the right system for your business so you can always attract, convert, and retain customers. If you are interested in creating such a business, if you are interested about making your business succeed and grow, I highly recommend you to go down to the description and to sign up to this free workshop. Remember, it's free and you don't need to pay any dollar. And now let's get back to our topic. Tip number 1 is to provide detailed descriptions for your products. Well, if you use Amazon, and I'm pretty sure everyone uses Amazon, you notice that they provide very big descriptions for all of their products. And this is extremely important because while shopping online, we don't have any way to test a product or to see it or to have a feeling about it. The only way we can do that is through photography, the photos, and second, through the description. That's why it's very important to provide detailed descriptions. Let's say, for example, you sell shampoo. It's very important to talk about ingredients, the key ingredients, the benefits, the key benefits, how to use it, how to take care of the product, or from where to ship it. Is it suitable for all hair type? Is it suitable for all skin type? And so on. The more information you give, the better it is. But it's also important to know that we can bombard our customers with a lot of information in the form of paragraphs and texts and assume that they will be reading them and actually enjoying the experience. And this leads us to the tip number 2, and it is to divide your product information into tabs and to use infographics. Dividing your product information into sections and using the format of tabs will help your customers to digest more the information, and they will help them to find the answers for the questions they might have. You can also provide a frequently asked questions section to make sure that you have covered everything. So dividing your product information into tabs will make your product page way better. So going back to the shampoo example, instead of having all the information in one text, we can have a tab for the ingredients, a tab for the key ingredients, a tab for how to use it, suitable hair type, suitable skin type, and so on. Also, using infographics, you can deliver hard information in an easy and accessible way. So if you want, for example, to point out your product benefits, or if you want to point out your product ingredients, you can use well-designed infographics to deliver those ideas. You can even use infographics and icons to show your unique selling propositions, like if your products are vegan, if they are organic, if they are sustainable, and so on. People interact better with infographics, and it's very easy to create them using a tool like canva.com, for example. Most of the themes available on Shopify Theme Store offer tabs or something similar to them in order to divide and in order to organize your product information. So make sure that you are doing this. Make sure that you are creating very detailed descriptions for your products, and second, make sure that you are dividing those descriptions into small paragraphs, into answers and questions in order to make the information more digestible. Once you have this done, we move on to the tips number 3, and it is to provide product recommendations on your product pages. And I'm not talking about the boring old Shopify recommendations that the Shopify algorithm used to provide. I'm talking about more tailored product recommendations that you choose yourself. And now you can do that actually using a free app from Shopify called Search and Discovery app. This app allows you to define two types of recommendations. The first one is the complementary products, and the second one is the product recommendations, the section you find at the end of your product pages usually. In most of the themes, you can put the complementary products directly next to your product. So let's say, for example, I'm selling shampoo for curly hair. Okay, you can in the complementary products put the conditioner or the soap or something like this, which is a very related product to the product I'm actually checking out. A product that makes sure that I'm complementing the experience of the user or of the customer. With product recommendations, you can go more broad, like recommending the whole family or perfume or whatever. Okay, I highly recommend you to set product recommendations yourself, especially if you have a limited number of products, so you have the time to do it. I recommend you to check your old orders. See what usually your customers buy together and try to recommend these products in these two sections, the complementary products and the product recommendations. And not only that, after you set your product recommendations, you can actually check how they are performing using Shopify Analytics, because Shopify shows you the product recommendations conversion rate. So you can see how people are interacting with them. You can test different options, see what product recommendations work the best and go with it. Product recommendations are very important because they can greatly help you to increase your average order value. And increasing your average order value means making more money from the same customers. Now moving to the tip number 4, and it's actually a little bit out of the box, and it is to create bundles and link to those bundles within your product page. Hear me out. Let's say, for example, I'm selling shampoo. What I can do is to create a bundle with, let's say, everything a woman with curly hair might use. So the shampoo, the conditioner, the soap, the oil, everything. I create a bundle at a small discounted price, and I create a dynamic section within my product page template where I can link to this bundle and show it to my customers as an upsell, as an option to save money, but at the same time to buy a bigger item with a higher price. Well, why you should be using a dynamic section? Because the bundle that you are going to create should be different depending on the product. So if I'm checking, for example, the shampoo for curly hair, you should be recommending to me a bundle for curly hair. If I'm checking the shampoo for straight hair, you should be recommending the bundle for straight hair. That's why you must be using a dynamic section where you can use metafields to link to your bundles. If you don't have any idea about how to use metafields in order to create dynamic sections, I highly recommend you to check these videos on my YouTube channel, because they will greatly help you out to learn more about metafields and how to use them. Bundles will help you to increase your average order value. They will also make the experience on your store more enjoyable because people love bundles. They love to buy them, they love to gift them, and they love to have them. So I highly recommend you to create bundles. And the good news now is that you can create bundles for free using this Shopify app. This is an app from Shopify, so it's a native app and it's totally free. Within seconds, you can create your bundle and you can put a different price for the bundle, like a discounted price. And not only that, Shopify will be doing all the tracking, so you can make sure that you are not overselling any item. And one more amazing thing is that you can make this bundle customizable. So if you offer, for example, different variants from your products or different sizes, different colors, whatever, your customers can still modify these options within the bundle so they can customize their bundles to their needs. Now my final tip for you, and it's actually a very common tip, but I'm not sure why so many people miss it, and it is to have reviews on your product pages. And I'm not only talking about written reviews, I'm talking about written reviews, photo reviews, and video reviews. You can make it super simple by including a gallery showing different customers using your products, or you can embed some videos on your product pages showing people reviewing your products, or you can take it to the next level by using an app like Stamp.io. Well, using this app would be extremely beneficial for your store because this app does not only collect reviews and show them on your store, but it also sends emails to your customers in order to remind them to review your products. And this usually increases the number of reviews you receive. Without these emails, without these push, most people will forget to review the products. So Stamp.io sends emails, sends reminders, and push your customers into reviewing your products. When it comes to adding video reviews to your product pages, you can use an app that shows the video like a small pop-up at the corner of the page, or you can embed the videos within the page. It's up to you. I recommend you to have the pop-up video. It's usually very beneficial and very nice, or you can even include the videos within the product images gallery. It's also fine. Reviews are extremely important because while shopping online, trusting the store, trusting the products, making sure that you are choosing the right options, especially when it comes to sizes and quality and quantity, this can be a little bit tricky. Let's take an example. Yesterday I was buying sneakers from Adidas and I wasn't sure about the size, so I went to the reviews and I checked what other people were saying, and all of the reviews were positive. They were saying that the sizes were perfect, that the quality is good. So within seconds I made up my mind and I bought the sneakers. And this is what actually happens with most of online shoppers. We need reviews in order to take the decision. We need reviews in order to kill any hesitation we might have. So these were my top tips to improve your product pages. And I know that some of them seem simple and some of them seems very complicated, but they are all doable and nothing is complicated. On this YouTube channel, there are tons and tons of videos to show you how to set up product pages, how to customize your Shopify theme, and so on. So you can watch these videos in order to be able to implement all the tips I gave you in this video. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to reply to that question or even create a video about it. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying up until the end. I truly appreciate that. Before leaving, I want to invite you to smash the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified each time I publish a new video. And finally, I want to invite you to sign up to the free workshop I'm currently offering. In this workshop, I show you the exact framework that you should be applying to your business in order to be able to attract, convert, and retain more customers. So if you are looking to create a strong, sustainable e-commerce business, go to the description below and sign up to the free workshop and enjoy watching it. See you soon. Bye bye.